Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says P is an orthogonal matrix. So, since P is an orthogonal matrix, we can say that sir P times P transpose is equal to identity, or P transpose times P will also be identity matrix. A is a periodic matrix with period 4. Great. This means that A power 5 equals A. Q is this, then the value of x is this. X is equal to, okay. So suppose that x is equal to P transpose Q to the power 2021 P. Now, look at this. Can I write Q as Q into Q into Q 2021 time? And in place of Q, can I write PAP transpose? Okay, the value of Q is PAP transpose, na, here. Again, PAP transpose, again PAP transpose, again PAP transpose, and this thing will keep on going, and last also PAP transpose and then P. Okay, so what we will get, this thing will become identity, this thing will become identity, this thing will become identity, 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 identity. So you will be left with A. So how many A's are there? A will be 2 to the power 2021, correct? Now you know that A power 5 is A. So can I write A power 5 to the power 4 Okay, so this thing will become what? A. So it will become A power 44, A power 44, and then A. So it will become A power 45. So A power 5 power 9. Again this thing will become what? A. So A power 9, and A power 9 will become what? A power 5, A power 4. A power 5 is what? A. So A into A power 4 will become A power 5 again. So it will end up being A. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.